Alright. Hello, my beautiful glam queens. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. I am back from Vegas. Yes. And if you are new here, I am Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. I am also a peanut butter. My boyfriend is the jam, the jelly, peanut butter jelly time. But since he's not here, I'll represent the jelly with my blue hair right here. Peanut butter jelly time. Blueberry jelly. Yes. So the votes are in. Thank you all who participated every Saturday. But I got in from Vegas this Saturday, so this time it was Sunday. I post 2 products in my TikTok feed and now here on YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which is your favorite product. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. This week's products we got from the Sephora Favorites Holiday Kit. Woohoo! So we got these 2. And there was a lot more. I went shopping in Vegas. This is what I got. The holiday kits right here. So if you're looking to just give somebody, this is a good idea. Or if you just want to try products, new products, Sephora Favorites products, this is a good idea. It's a pretty good value. Since I like to try a lot of products, I always usually go for these. Okay, so we're going to get into the first product. Let me put these guys down. Nice bags. Real nice bags. First product is the Cactus water. That will be in the green one right there. So if you're looking for the Cactus water, it is in the green holiday Sephora Favorites bag. And then my other product will be here. I'll show you that in a moment. Look at everything you get. It's very nice. This is the Freck Beauty Cactus Water Cleansing Lactic Acid Toner. Whew. The size you get in the bag is a 0.5 ounces, just a little sample size. The original size is 6.5 ounces, and it is $32. Can be purchased at freckbeauty.com and, of course, Sephora. It does expire in 12 months. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty. A cleansing toner that looks like water, acts like water, but does so much more. Has, of course, lactic acid with vegetable and plant extract that should help balance and even out your skin. It also helps acne and blemishes. And it is for all skin types. So let's talk about that first ingredient, lactic acid. That helps remove dead skin and eliminate discoloration. Then, of course, it has cactus flower extract. That's supposed to give you intense hydration and reproduce cells. Then it has kelp extract. That is rich in antioxidants and helps calm the skin and fights inflammation. Now, as for the fragrance, I smell nothing. Nada. Maybe a little bit of alcohol. Or it could be the menthol. But it's very, very light. Honestly, I smell nothing. Nada, zilch, nothing. Okay, so after you cleanse your face in your skincare routine, my face is ready to go with some toner. Yes. Ooh, it's kind of soft right now. I haven't even moisturized yet. Okay. Go ahead. Grab the toner. Then get a cotton swab or one of those circle ones. If you want to use your hands, that's okay as well. Anything's fine. It says soak the cotton swab. I don't know if I want to soak it, but here we go. Then go ahead and swipe it all over your face. I like to do little swipes like this. Kind of pushing it, rolling it. I think I do need some more. Yes, feels good. Feels like water. Put some on my neck. I'm just going to use a little bit on my hands. Ooh, spilled out a lot this time. And then I'm gonna push it on my skin because I couldn't reach my neck down here. There we go. That's pretty good. I know there's a lot of people that say that like to use the cotton way, and they like to see if they still have dirt on their face afterwards. I'm not really into that, but some people are. It's like a kind of like a satisfying thing to them to see it get clean even more. I don't know, do you guys like to do that? Let me know in the comments below. Not a fan of that. I am not a fan of that. Okay, now we're moving on to the next product. Okay, so the second product now, second skincare product, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. And that is in the red bag. This one is called Glitz and Glam. Is the other one called that? So the first one was Sparkly Clean. Didn't realize they had names for Clean Beauty, I suppose. And then Glitz and Glam. This one's pretty good. This one, if I had to choose one or the other, I would go with this one. They are around $49 each. Well, this one's $42. This one's $49. Close. But yeah, I would go with this one. I was going to put down the green one, but then I was like, no. I need to try it. This is a sample size. It is 0.16 ounce. You have 3 sizes, the travel size, regular size, then the big size. Not too big, but big. Travel is 0.5 ounces and it is $20. Regular size is 1.35 ounce and that is $35. And then the big size is 2.7 ounces and that is $49. It's a lot. $49, and this big sample bag was $49. That's insane. Insane. In the membrane. You can, of course, get it at glowrecipe.com and Sephora. Expiration date is 12 months. It is vegan, clean. Doesn't say if it's cruelty-free. I don't see that anywhere. But it is ophthalmologist tested, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free. Then, of course, free of silicones, phthalates, drying alcohols, and synthetic dyes. A highlighting serum that will give you a glow right now and over time. It is lightweight and buildable and absorbs into the skin quick. Does not have mica, glitter, or pearls. And it does not leave a gray cast. It's turning gray. It is a highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid. Supposedly. Interesting. It's the first of its kind. But at this point now, it might not be anymore. People always have to make dupes. It reduces hyperpigmentation and it's for all skin types, even acne and oily. Can be used as a serum before your moisturizer, which is the way I'm going to use it right now. Or as a last step, giving you a glossy glow. So of course, first ingredient is watermelon. Yes. Watermelon. Packed with skin plumping amino acids, vitamins A and C, and the phytonutrient lycopene. It helps soothe, moisturize, plump, and treats fine lines, along with, of course, the wrinkles. And then, of course, it has niacinamide. This guy does a lot. Let me tell ya. It is a vitamin and antioxidant that helps even out skin tone, helps reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, brightens dullness, soothes your skin, of course, then minimizes the appearance of pores and helps the skin barrier.
That's pretty good.
Next is moringa seed oil, a non-comedogenic, lightweight, breathable oil that contains vitamin E that hydrates and soothes skin, and hyaluronic acid containing moisture-binding properties that supposedly can hold 1,000 times its weight in water. That helps your skin be supple, bouncy, and plumpy. As for the fragrance, I smell nothing. I got nothing. They do say that they try to formulate their fragrance 0.5%. They try to do it very lightly. So if there is something in this, it's light. I was hoping to smell a little bit of watermelon, maybe some fruit, but I got nothing. Now as for my demonstration, I will be using it as the serum way. They do have many suggestions on how you could use this. Very, very interesting. They say 1 pump. Ugh, let's see if I could go under this wig. Ugh, barely. Before your moisturizer, and that will be it. You'll be done with your skincare. Don't be scared if you need more. It's okay. There we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and talk about, if you don't mind, the other ways you could use it. So as a primer, you want to go ahead 1 or 2 pumps as your last step of the skincare. So in other words, after your moisturizer and before your foundation. Then they have the suggestion to use over your makeup. So you want to go ahead, have it at the back of your hand. Oh, I still have so much from when I was doing my smell test. I'll put a little more. So when you pick it up with your fingers, you want to, of course, use the ring finger. And dab, dab, dab. Go ahead, take off a little bit of excess if you have any. Leave it on the back of your hand, I guess. On the high points of your face in a tapping motion. Anywhere we usually highlight. The nose. Tap, tap, tap. And that's it. The next suggestion is that you could use this with your foundation. So go ahead, whether you use the back of your hand or a palette, mix it up with your foundation and then apply it to your face. That should give your foundation and your skin a hydration and an extra glow. Now last, for maximum glow, you can use this, of course, without makeup. Fancy that. So how you do that? Just don't put any makeup on. Go ahead, use it as your last step of your skincare routine after the moisturizer. And use it on your face and that's it. On the go. You're done. Ding! You have a glow. A glow on the go, basically. They also suggest that you could use this just on your eyes. Wow. So you're going to go ahead, use a pea size. That's kind of a lot of pea size. And I would just use a little less. Put it at the center of your eyes like this. And then blend out. My goodness, so many ways to use this. Okay. But wait, there's more. One more. My gosh. Just when I think it's over all the time. So last suggestion is a double highlight. So you're going to first, which I'm guessing this is basically still as a primer, go ahead and use this under your complexion makeup, your face makeup first, and then layer it with a powder highlighter where you place this. So let's say I place this here on my highlighting point, then my complexion makeup, and then after that highlighter powder. That's a lot of ways you could use it. And that's it, we're done. We're going to move on to the results finally. Okay, thank you Glow Recipe for all that jazz and more. Okay, here we go with the TikTok results right away. Let's get into it. And the results. TikTok. Boom! 96% Glow Recipe and 4% Cactus Water. Want to you and woohoo to you. 96%. That's pretty good. Yes, TikTok back in the game. Haven't heard from you guys in a while. So glad you guys voted. Thank you. Congratulations, Glow. Let's get right into the YouTube results, though. Here we go. YouTube. You guys voted for this. And the winner is... Boom! Whoa, 100% Glow Recipe. Woo! 100%. That means 0 for you. Ooh, I shook up the water. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. Okay. Congratulations, Glow Recipe. You are the winner. Yeah. Let me know in the comments below why you guys voted for Glow Recipe and why you thought it was the winner this week. Yes, or let me know that you were sad that Cactus Water didn't win Freck Beauty. Wah wah. And yeah, just let me know why you're sad about that. Let me know. Don't be sad on Halloween though. Let me know in the comments below and I will feature you in next week's video. Woohoo! Yes, that is it. That's all. Also, I would like to know from all of you whether you guys are going to be for Halloween. Sadly, I do not have a costume. Well, I do have a costume. We were already the peanut butter and jam. I think it was 2 years ago, this costume. Don't remember. But this year, I don't know. I have a few costume ideas, but my boyfriend wants me to dress up as a pizza. I want to do Barbie and him as Oppenheimer, or I want to do, that would be so good, Barbie and Oppenheimer, okay, or I want to be Mavis, I already got the vampire teeth, and him be Jonathan from Transylvania. I have lots of ideas, but he wants me to dress up as a pizza, and him being the delivery guy. Maybe we could do our own thing this year. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do. And we're, of course, waiting last minute to find out what we're going to do. Yay. Okay. So let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. And have fun. Be safe. Don't have too much candy. And yeah, that's all. Okay, I'm taking myself out. Okay. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah. Bye. Also, remember to give this peanut butter and jelly a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification and share the video if you like. Pass my peanut butter around to everybody. Okay.